Halo Ma'am Yusna, let me introduce myself. My name is Arneta Firly Ramadhani. My university number is 111240120. Uh, in this video, I want to convey the result of my analysis regarding a short movie drama. Number one, the effect that Kenande got because of his childhood trauma is she grew up to be a quiet and very introvert person. Number two, because when Kennedy was in the closet, his mother taught her to be quiet and not make any noise, and after that, something bad happened to his mother. Therefore, Kennedy grew up with a sense of trauma. Number three, because when she was child, she was bullied. She grew up alone, so she was afraid of other people and didn't want to communicate with anyone. Number four, in this film, is formed by maintaining silence in the form of a defense and obstacle because it wants to show that every people maybe has trauma and sometimes silence is the best thing for them. But on the other situation, everyone cannot always be silent. Whatever happened in the past, we must fight the trauma and must try to change for the better. Number five, Kennedy developed from a very introvert and quiet person. She had a passion for change which resulted in her struggling to start talking and communicating as at the end of the film. That role that contributed to Kennedy change was because she took theater and public speaking training. Number six, because in this class, everyone is given the opportunity to express themselves. Therefore, Kennedy began to be able to open up herself in the class and was assisted by a mentor who could understand each person's personality in the class so that could be begin to open up. Number seven, uh, yes, because at home Kennedy doesn't have any friends she can talk to, while at school Kennedy is always quiet because she was bullied by her friends. While in communication class, there are many people who help her to start making her look at the person she is talking to and even make Kennedy able to start communicating with other people. Number 8. When she was kid, Kennedy had a big trauma that made her not want to communicate with other people. But whatever happens in this world, everyone is required to communicate for the smooth running of their lives. Therefore, Kennedy has a big challenge to have to communicate with other people even though she has trauma in his past. Number 9. The trainer in the communication class has a lot of experience with trauma. Therefore, she has various ways and boundaries to help Kennedy to be able to interact with other people. Number 10. Even though Kennedy has limitations in her communicating, it does not prevent her from achieving his achievement. Kennedy continues to fight to get a scholarship. Therefore, this is one of the important topics in this film. Number 11. The first example is that Kennedy has a big trauma and has difficulty communicating. The second example is that Kennedy has the fighting power to change that she can also get a scholarship. The proof that Kennedy gave is that even though Kennedy has trauma and limitation, Kennedy continues to fight against her limitation to get many great opportunities in her life. Number 20. One of the things that triggered Kennedy change was because of his communication skills that always support her to process. Also, the trainer who always trained Kennedy accompanied and invite Kennedy to change. Kennedy was also required to have an interview because of that. The sting really triggered Kennedy to have a immediately process to communicate. Number 13. The challenges faced that there are present in this film are that Kennedy has experienced bullying by her friends. Kennedy has limited communication because many people ignore her, maybe think she doesn't exist in this world. This is a big challenge that is present in the film. Number 14. In this film, there are several scenes where Kennedy encourages herself to start communicating. This is one of the proofs that communicating is important, and finding and giving a voice is something that can really help. Number 15. Because the journey that Kennedy went through was not an easy journey. She had to push herself to fight her trauma. She had to start getting used to things that she thought were difficult and new things. Number 16. Yes, I have watched other movies that tell about trauma. The resolution is almost the same as this movie. Hermione, the main character, is required to fight the trauma she experienced because of something that pushed her to do 17. The similarity is that they both have communication problems and they both struggle to fix their communication problem. The difference in the process they go through, how fast or slow they change, and also the trauma they have is also different, so it affects the process of their change. Number 18. The approach in this film is because the character Kennedy took the initiative to take a communication class, and Kennedy had a personal consultation with a trainer, and one took quite a long development because the trauma that Kennedy experienced really hindered her. Number 19. The difference is very visible because in other films, with the education them, teachers usually demand their students to study continuously, and the teacher also do not really understand the character of their student. Whereas in the film Hermie, the trainer makes a big contribution because she slowly invites Kennedy to talk, does not force and demand Kennedy, and she also understands Kennedy's character. 20. The trainer always told Kennedy that Kennedy needs time to process. Kennedy had to slowly struggle to change. Number 21. The trainer said that she would not help Kennedy if she did not want to try. Kennedy had to push herself even though it was difficult. Thank you.